Welcome to the Reading Community Singers 90th Anniversary Concert. RCS is truly a community, encompassing singers both older and younger, male and female. We live through our music, raising our voices and spirits in song. We invite you to join us, if not in song, then in spirit, as we sing some of our favorite music for you tonight.
Celebration. We're very excited to be one of the longest running continual community chorus groups, non-audition. And yes, we are non-audition. We're all here because we love to sing, as you can tell. This first piece was written especially for this celebration by one of our very talented members, Reading Public School music teacher. I happen to be married to him, really helps. Al Mosher, where'd you go, honey? Down here. This concert is also entitled Our Favorite Things, or Sings, depending who you speak with. What I did for this concert, usually I get to choose all the music myself, but for this special occasion, the members were allowed to vote for the songs they most enjoyed singing over the past 5.5 years. There were about 90 songs to choose from. They know a lot of music, and this is the group they came up with. The next song we're going to sing for you came in number 4 out of all those 90 plus songs. It's called Make a Joyful Noise.